Oh, Sky. 50 plus 50.
It's 100.
How about 100 plus 50?
It's 150.
How about 55 plus 30?
More. 85.
Very good. How about 85 plus 15?
85. 100.
Right, very good.
I did.
Okay. 140 plus 12. 140 plus 12.
Is 152.
Oh, very good. How about 5,050 plus 5,020?
Gosh.
5,050 plus
That's
5,000. 5,050 plus 5,020.
What is the answer?
5,050 plus 5,020.
Mommy, I know the answer is not 30,000.
10,000. 50 plus 50
Oh,
plus
is 40,000?
10,000. 10,070 only.
Oh, it's okay.
That's okay, yeah. 500 plus 70.
Is 570.
Good job. How about 62 plus 62?
Is it's 100. 24.
Oh, good job. Ang galing mo naman. How about deduction? You know how to do the subtraction? Minus?
No,
No, not yet. Okay.
no, I don't know it.
You don't know yet. Okay. How about 1,000? 1,050 plus 1,050?
Is I think that's it. I know the answer. Why is 3,000?
1,050 plus 1,050.
1,050 plus 1,050. I know that it's 10,000.
No, it's not
100.
2,000 lang kasi
2,000.
kasi 1,000 lang yun eh. 1,050 plus 1,050. O 1,000 plus 1,000. 2,000. O 50 plus 50. 100. O 2,000. 100.
2,100.
But you did great. You're so awesome. That's fantastic. Oh, most of the question you answered. It's so good. I'm going to forward this one to Mama, Papa, okay? Nanay, Tatay, Mami, Lola, Tita, Tito. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Why this